This simple guide will show you how to save a query in BigQuery. Whether you're working on a complex data analysis project or just running a few queries, saving your work can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive in and see how you can easily save your SQL queries in BigQuery Studio. First, head over to BigQuery Studio. If you're not familiar, BigQuery is a fully managed serverless data warehouse that allows you to analyze large amounts of data quickly. Once you're there, you'll want to start by writing your SQL code in the Query tab. This is your workspace where you can execute SQL queries on your datasets. Take your time to write out the query that you need. It could be something as simple as a select statement or a more complex join operation. Whatever your query, make sure it's set up correctly to return the data you need. Now, with your query written out, you'll notice a toolbar above the query editor. This toolbar contains several options for managing your queries. Among them, you'll find the Save button. This is the key to preserving your hard work for future use or reference. It's important to save queries, especially if you plan to reuse them or if they took a significant amount of time to perfect. Not only does this safeguard your work, but it also allows you to build a library of queries that you can rely on as your projects evolve. Go ahead and click the Save button. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select the option that says Save Query. Once you click Save Query, your current SQL code will be saved within BigQuery Studio. This is particularly useful for maintaining consistency across your projects and for collaborating with team members who may also need access to the same queries. Remember, saving your queries is more than just a convenience. It's a best practice that can greatly enhance your workflow. It ensures that you have a reliable record of your work that can be easily accessed and modified as your data needs change. Plus, it can be a lifesaver when you need to troubleshoot or revisit previous analyses. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your query in BigQuery Studio. This seemingly simple step can make a significant impact on your productivity and efficiency when working with large datasets. So, the next time you find yourself crafting a query, remember to save it and make your future self thankful for it. I hope this guide helps you streamline your data analysis process in BigQuery. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your data workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.